Hey guys, so what I'm doing first is showing you what my edges look like before I texturize it. This is with no product on it, completely natural. I go in with my OK avocado butter and I make sure to get all the way on my scalp and around my edges. So what I'm doing now is going ahead and coating my edges with the Just For Me texturizer kit. I make sure just to coat my edges and nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. I make sure to do this so the look I'm going for isn't too dramatic or too obvious. So I pretty much just go over the parts that my brush hits and my gel hits when I'm laying my edges. I keep this on for 10 minutes and then I wash it out. Alright, here's what it looks like after I washed it. No type of gel or anything, just water. Super sleek look, nothing obvious, nothing too dramatic. It still curls. I love it. Alright, now I'm going in with my Originals renpure argan oil conditioner. This is for my deep condition routine. So I go ahead and coat it all on my scalp, all the way down to the tips, and then I brush out my hair. I realized that this brush wasn't cutting it, so I went ahead and switched to my Denman brush. After I put the conditioner all on my hair, I go ahead with my extra virgin olive oil and put it all on my scalp, all the way down to the tips like I did the conditioner, and then I go ahead and braid it up. I make sure to get all on my scalp because this is a good prep for when I straighten my hair, because my scalp does like to get dry and dandruff when it's straightened. Then I make sure it's all on my edges. Alright, now I'm going in with my golden hot hair dryer that attaches to my blow dryer. I make sure I have on my shower cap and I leave this on for 30 minutes. Afterwards, I did go to sleep. It was a late night. I kept my shower cap on and I just went ahead and put my bonnet over it. This is the next morning. I started to unbraid my hair, and what I'm doing now is, or what I'm doing after this is rinsing it out with just hot water. No type of shampoo or conditioner, just hot water, and that's it. Check out my next video for my straightening hair routine if you guys want to see how I straighten my hair.